First thing to do is open gallery, click power supply and find AC voltage source. Next, find resistor at passive component. Find the diode at discrete semiconductor. Lastly, find the oscilloscope at the folder measuring to measure the AC voltage of each resistor. Connect the wire to complete the circuit. Oscilloscope has two channels, which is channel 1 and channel 2. Both the channel is same. Now, I'm going to measure the voltage at the resistor. After complete, tap icon at the top to show the graph at the AC voltage in resistor 2. Double click the graph to adjust the rates of graph. After that, tap the play button to show the graph. The blue color is show channel 1, that is the AC, while channel 2 is the red, that is the resistor. Make a same step to measure the voltage of R1. That's all. Thank you.